The basics of investment voiceover. Everyone knows saving money is important, but did you know that investing it is crucial for wealth growth? Let's break down the 3 core investment platforms you need to know about, all in under 1 minute. Number 1. The stock market. This is simply buying a share of a public company. When the company performs well, your money grows. You need a demat, or brokerage account to trade, and you personally pick the companies you believe in. Number 2. Mutual funds. These are ideal for those who don't want to make daily decisions. You give your money to a fund manager who diversifies it across many stocks and bonds. It's generally considered a safer, diversified option than direct stock picking. Number 3. Digital assets crypto. This is the newest and highest risk platform. Here, you buy and trade digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The profit potential is huge, but so is the volatility and risk of loss. Remember, the first step in investing is always research. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Would you like me to tell you the best apps for beginners to start investing in mutual funds?